Nakamas, welcome back to another One Piece anime reaction. Listen, they are teasing us with the Grand Line. They gave us a little taste and then they took it back. And now we're in the Lost Island storyline. So let's see what happens with these dragons. I want to see some more dragons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Check the Patreon out for the full-length watch-alongs. Let's go ahead and watch.
すげえでっかい家だな。
だいたいここ何なんだよ。
どうなんだアピス。
Apis, tell us.
龍神もここが何なのか知らないって。
Doesn't know either.
相変わらず役立たずのじいさんだ。
He can hear you.
天井画が落ちてきてるぜ。
Hmm.
やばそうだ。さっさと出ようぜこんなとこ。いなこと言ったって龍なんてどこにも。
ちょっと待って。
Yeah, and Grandpa Ryu doesn't know it.
ここロストアイランドじゃないかも。
The
わ
Lost
けわか
Temple?
ってないくせに適当なこと言わないでよ。あ、ナミ。上を見てよ。
Look
上。
up. It's a story.
あれはロストアイランドの位置を示す地図なのよ。あれがこの島。あのドームはこの建物なのよ。
Smart.
そしてその島の周りにいる人たちは
Who lived here? They're flying?
ねえ、牧伝じいさんの言ってたことを覚えてる？
That long story?
言ってたじゃない。そうだっけ
From this one.
そういやなんかそんなこと。
You didn't hear it, Usopp.
じゃあじいさんが散々言ってた王朝ってのはこの島にあったってことか。
Yeah, all the kings and stuff.
に住んでた人たちが千年竜を神として崇めてたってこと。
Oh, they worship them. That makes sense. And be the protector.
確かにそれじゃこの島に竜の巣がある可能性は低いな。
でも
But it's close by.
きっと竜の巣もあそこにあるのよ。でも
Where is it? In
あの地図の示す通りに考えると竜の巣は軍艦島にあるってこと。
It's on Warship Island?
軍艦島にはそれらしいところはねえって言ったじゃねえか。
でも地図にそう
Inside the rock somewhere? Oh, they're about to tell it that there's trouble coming.
その可能性の方が大きいわ。それなら今まで誰にも見つからなかったわけも納得いく。
Makes sense.
えしかないの龍神。
Okay, he's recalling something. Yeah, I want to see the whole painting all at once. It's hard to see. Oh. The birds will lead us. Oh, the birds are flying in the same direction. Oh. Oh, the birds used to fly over it in that same pattern. So it's just like north of it or down to... Ooh, Warship Island, of course. At the tip, underground. At the very top. Ooh, dragons. They were the things that were flying. The birds just reminded him of the dragons. That's the nest. Oh, that's Grandpa Ryu. It's at the top there. It's at the top. Oh, it makes sense.
なんでルフィわかるの？あの島の中に竜の巣はあるって。
散々苦労してここまで来たのに。
Yeah, we went all the way down. I'm with Usopp.
こんなところまで引っ張り回しちゃって。無駄足だったね。
Not really. It wasn't all for nothing though. But we just have to get back there.
このぐらいでめげるなんてアピスらしくないわ。
何もできやしないぜ。
Right.
先生ってのも悪くね。
The roundabout life. Oh, here we go. Eric is here.
どうかしたゾロ？
Trouble at the gate.
さっきだ。
With bloodlust. Oh god. He wants that dragon bad.
説明ご苦労。おかげで竜。
Ew.
またお前か。
しかし、
Look at his hair. His hair is actually so cool.
だいたい竜の巣が海の底かなんてまだわかんないもん。
He doesn't need to know anymore.
カマカマの実の能力者とか言ってたぜ。
Push him in the water.
ルフィ、
あ、
Louis.
お前は先に竜神を連れて船へ行
I'll deal with him.
け。俺は後から行く。
そんなもんは作る。うりゃ
Oh, Luffy.
思ったんだけどな。
It's fortified.
おいおいおいおいおい
Oi, 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 oi. I think that should be a normal sound for them. Oh. Is that the sickle sickle? Is that Eric?
アピス。
原始人以下だなあいつ。
He's less than a caveman. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, wow. Not him carrying the whole thing alone. Oh, my God.
はえはえ。
So fast. This is Mission Impossible. No, they're flying.
俺たちいつもよく無事に吸っててるよな
まだ無事って決まっ
It's like crying. Honestly, they needed to do that because it would have taken so long. They had to take that all the way up.
なんか見せてもらおうじゃねえか。
俺は今この中で一番早く移動してる
In the world.
カマカマのカマイだぜ。
Oh. Damn, the force.
お前の相手などしている暇はない。
Stand and fight.
待て。
Oh, God. Cool. They're sliding.
無事なんだろうな。
I know, right? Yeah, they came down here the same way. That's wild.
動かない子だよ。それでも大丈夫。
No, he definitely stands a chance.
参ったなこりゃ。参ったなじゃなくて。
Comes out the other end. Erika.
悪いな。ここは通
You
す。
shall not pass.
通らないは俺の勝手だ。
It's up to me. Oh, wow. He's fast.
そのチョコバカと。
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Should have been more careful.
壊すか。ダメよ。
Oh, God.
まったく信じられねえ今日の持ち主
Or something. Or something.
好準備だ。行くぞ。もういいや。ゾロが危ないって。
Oh.
けなきゃ。
So far, though. Not the vibrato.
すごい。
Wow.
まさかこのパターン。
He's gonna pull him? Yo, that's so funny.
悪い。
絶対いつか
Oh, chop this guy up.
逃がしてたまるか。
What are they gonna do? Fly? It's over, Eric.
奴らの後を追ってエリック様も出てこられて
なんでもないご苦労
So what did you say?
嫌味を言っている暇は。
Sarcastic remark. I mean, he doesn't know, though. That's what you went for, isn't it? Eric?
海軍の軍艦よりか小回りの利く合意。丈夫。だから何が。海軍とトラブってる暇はないわ。
Oh, God. Nelson Royale.
鬼瓦見て。
Yeah, that's scary, though.
ダーコが飛び込んできた
Just small fries.
今でおじゃる左右に展開核よ
Crane wing formation. Oh. Oh. Damn. That's a lot.
ダーコ一匹逃がさないように全ての船を二人でつなぎ
A complete wall.
壁にするでおじゃる
Oh. Wow.
挟み撃ちにされちゃう。
胸にと
That's savage.
蹴散らして鎖を切る
Right.
それしかねえだろいけルビーとサチ
大 だと思ったわよ。
I thought as much.
大丈夫よ、アクス。なんとかなるわ。
I love how they're convincing her. They're like, it's fine, we've dealt with worse.
戦艦停止
Okay, who's behind here?
食うことしか能のないデブかと思う。
Wow.
たかが提督。されど提督。
A mirror Commodore?
よっほー、気持ちいい。
Exo! Let's go. Nelson Royale. Commodore. Mayor Commodore? I thought Commodore was pretty high. Major versus Commodore versus Captain versus Admiral versus... Admiral is definitely higher, I think, than Commodore. Vice Admiral, right? Like, yeah. I don't know where Commodore falls in that. I thought it was higher than that. But yeah, the formation with chains links stuff was pretty good. And I think that's that's pretty wild. They can't escape. But yeah, just jump in there and cut the chain and move on. I wonder if Nelson Royale can fight. I doubt it, but it'll be funny to see. Oh, on to the next one.
すぐに追跡だ
大丈夫。だから何が。
そうはいかないみたいだ。
よくの陣でおじゃる
つって奴らを蹴散らして鎖を切る
Ikuzo! What are the attack and defense modes of the Going Merry? We need more cannons and other things. And we also do have a dragon, so that should count for something. Yo, that's like endless assault. They say don't hurt the dragon, so you better be careful, Navy. Yo, look at that long line of ships.
素晴らしいただしいかだには当てるでないぞついに見つけたでおじゃるいうことはもう
No, it's
手に
not.
入ったもど
Eric is gonna double cross you.
どうやらこれで任務も終わりだな手こぎを何をするつもり
So
だ
you can go and join the action.
まさか連艦の中に
Prohibited. Will we ever see his eyes? Mr. Eric. Oh god. Careful. Oh god.
もう少しだから頑張ってね。必ず竜の
A wee bit longer.
けなげだね
Yeah, she is very brave. Usopp.
出てくる
You
ぜ
need to learn a couple of things. It's like I changed my mind.
おい後ろに弾当たっちまったぞ
Usopp is like brave right before the danger, or after it's passed.
おめえだよ。
こっちに弾来るぞ。なんとかする。ゴムゴムの。
Balloon. I remember this one. Oh,
うっそ
Uso.
よくも世の軍艦を傷物に
Oh, you're trying to damage ours.
超巨大砲を撃ち込むでおじ
Super
ゃる
giant cannon. Ugh. These people are just carrying him the whole time.
超巨大砲発射準備
Is he from the mouth of the face, the thing? That would be wild. Oh. You better don't miss with this kind of cannon. Look at how big it is.
大丈夫。また跳ね返す。
Eesh, this one is bigger though.
早く。
そんなしてやる
Give them a lead star.
撃て
Oh. Oh. Did he break it? Damn, Usopp.
おじゃるか敵の砲弾が我が手法に
Perfectly.
なんだと
Don't mess with Usopp.
ソップ様が本気でやりゃこんなもんよ
まぐれにしちゃっちゃう。
ウソップかっこいい。
Yes?
え
You're so cool, Usopp. That's, he would love that. Wait. And then they run on it, yeah.
リュウジ。待ってろよ。
Okay. I thought he was asking him to come run.
悪いぞろ。
おめえ。
He's fed up with him. Yo.
なんだそりゃ
俺に切れねえもんはね。
He's doing a can cut. Here they come.
ゾロゾロと。
Out of the woodwork.
ザクは任せた。
The small fries. Like, who are you calling small fries? And that was just one.
おのれ海賊のさもなくば水平全員島流しだ
Maroon. Bye. So many of them. Look at how many they are. Oh, wow. Oh. Quick work.
こんな人たちだった
I didn't know they were like this. Oh, wow. That's Eric.
でかしたぞこれで千年寺は世のものじゃ
あんた他も
おかまじゃねえ。
Sicko fruits. Not sicko.
千年竜を渡してもらおうか。
絶対渡さないんだから
Nope. No, you can't have it.
俺は
You wouldn't. You wouldn't hurt a little girl. Ugh, God.
そうだぜこのウソップ様も黙っ
What's up, Sama?
外したんだぜ。
Oh, yeah.
船ごとバラバラにしてくれ。
Yo, that's so much power.
じゃ足でやる
千年竜はもらっていく。悪く思う。
Wow, just like that.
アクセを返せ
エリックでかした
Yo, he's about to double cross you. Watch.
俺が貴様に従っていたのは海軍の情報力を利用する。
Wow.
なんと
貴様だっ
Insider information.
てを利用しようとしていただけだろ。
世はお前を大金で雇
Yeah, he paid you.
もう貴様のようなトドに従う義務は。
Oh, a sea lion.
俺は千年竜から取った竜骨で
Not a sea
俺
lion.
自身を完璧に。
That's an insult to sea lions.
いやー許さんぞ
You're gonna butt. Ooh, be careful. Dragon, we need you.
お願いだからもうこれ以上龍神をいじめないで 早く龍の巣へ連れて行かないといけないのだからもうやめ
That's where they want to go.
何すんの離して
Oh, don't toss her off board.
あんたなんかに絶対龍神は渡さない渡さないったら渡さない
Is he gonna activate? Sees her in danger.
俺以上はめくとバラバラにするぞ。
Yeah. I'm gonna toss her though. Okay. Grandpa really doesn't like that. Oh!
こずらせやがって。
Oh! Oh!
こうして逃げるんだ。
Oh! You do not want this smoke. Grandpa Yu is awake. Bye. Sayonara. He said, don't you ever touch Epis again.
おいしいよ
Grandpa Yu was even kind to him. He should have chomped down. Chomp.
かわいい龍神すごい
We had so many memories together. Fly? Ooh! Dragon taking flight. What a wonder. Ooh! Ooh. Maybe the nest is underneath there. The shock waves. It's like a roar or like a bellow. Ooh, Grandpa Yu said no more joking. I'm not playing around.
龍神何
He knows where the nest is. Does he want her to ride?
頑張れ龍神飛べるぞ
Ooh, it's been a while.
殺しても構わん竜骨さえ手に入れば済むこと
You're literally in the Navy.
撃ちまくれ
You're destroying creatures. Oh my god.
龍神逃げて
Run. Fly.
はよ撃ち落とせやめろ
Ooh, Luffy's angry. Bye.
今のうちに逃げて龍神
He won't go without you though. Oh wow, he's getting hit actually. now he's angry.
そっち行っちゃダメ
Now he's mad. Breathe fire.
来るでおじゃる。はよ撃て撃て。
Oh wow, just taking hit after hit. I mean, dragons are pretty, oh, I guess not. I think they're pretty durable. Oh. Just took too many hits. Oh god. No, it can't be. Really?
しっかりしろ。
Oh god. No wonder I've not found the nest.
おい何言ってんだ死ぬなんて言うな
He needs the nest. He's still talking to him? He can hear him.
分かってる
Oh wow, he's fully talking to him. The other time was not a fluke. Oh god, screams of anguish. Oh, Ipis. Damn. I hope he's not gone. I think he might need the dragon's nest to rejuvenate because he was already pretty weak. And I thought he would just kind of fly to the ships after taking damage and still just like wreck them, but it was just too much. Freaking Nelson Royale. Coward, why don't you get up from your throne and come and do some work? The Navy is so corrupt. There's so many corrupt, and they're so different too. There's like sneaky, snaky ones, and then there are ones that are bent on finding things and domination. There's ones that took devil fruit. Like what? They're so different. It's like a lawlessness. Like the Navy is worse than regular criminals. It's just like using, like literally, you're using Navy resources to go find elixir of immortality. What? Like, it's like so corrupt. But yeah, let's see how they resolve the storyline. I think maybe the dragon's nest is right there in the water, and they can, or he'll be drawn to it somehow, and then he'll get rejuvenated. But yeah, the best part was just the Grandpa Ryu just like knocking out Eric, just from the back. Well deserved, unnecessary. That was so good. Well, see you on the next episode.